Zeno's paradox of Achilles and the tortoise presents one of history's most famous philosophical puzzles about motion and infinity. The paradox begins with Achilles, the swift hero of Greek mythology, racing against a tortoise that has been given a head start. The argument claims that despite being faster, Achilles can never overtake the tortoise because he must first reach the point where the tortoise started. By the time Achilles reaches that point, the tortoise has moved to a new position further ahead. When Achilles reaches this second point, the tortoise has advanced yet again, creating an infinite sequence of smaller and smaller distances. Zeno concludes that Achilles can never overtake the tortoise because this process continues infinitely, requiring Achilles to cover an infinite number of distances in a finite time. The paradox challenges our intuition because in reality, we know Achilles would easily overtake the tortoise, yet the logical argument seems to prove this impossible. Mathematicians eventually resolve this paradox through calculus and the concept of infinite series, showing that an infinite number of increasingly smaller distances can indeed sum to a finite value. Zeno's paradox remains important in philosophy and mathematics, demonstrating how logical reasoning can sometimes conflict with physical reality, and how understanding infinity required revolutionary mathematical concepts. Today, this ancient puzzle continues to intrigue students of philosophy, mathematics, and physics, as it raises fundamental questions about continuity, infinity, and the nature of motion itself.